Hello subscriber, today we are discussing about the how to change the ceiling fixture and mount flashlight. And I have one by one step by step explain about how to replace the ceiling fixture. And in this video I will explain about the one by one how to remove feather lights and their covers and how to join this cables and how to energize this. Before I even starting my topic, please keep subscribe me and support to the technical engineering. And also press the bell icon to get the latest videos and update about the technical engineering. And most important thing in this video or in a technical video, you have to watch the complete video till the end, because you will note the each and every point about the video to understand properly about the technical tricks and how to work on it. If you miss any point or any little mistake, you will not achieve your target or not to replace the properly the lamp. Means if you have a near little mistake, means the connection has been goes the wrong, and then you will not operate that lamp. Or if you have connected it wrongly, that device will be damaged or any troubleshooting will be occur on it. So you have to watch the complete video till the end to understand properly about the electrical or technical tricks. Most homeowner will need to replace a ceiling fixture at the some point. Knowing how to properly replace a ceiling fixture can save on electrician fees. Residential ceiling fixtures comes in many different shapes, and there are many ways to attach them to a ceiling fixture. Hang by two screws that attach to the fixture base to the outlet box, or to mounting strips in an outlet box. No matter how you suspend a fixture from a ceiling, the wiring is a simple. Other wire may pass through the box, but you have to deal with only three wires: a color wire, usually black, or a white wire, and the green is always ground. These three wires are joined together with a twist on a wire connectors. First point, or a first important point about how to do this start the work. Turns off the power to fixture or a whole house. You may find a several pair of a wire in a ceiling box. Some of these wires may be wired to a different circuit.
Hello, hello, Mustafa.
Wires turn off the power to the fixture of a whole light, and you may find a several pairs of a wire in a ceiling fixture. Some of these wires may be varied in the different circuit may be fixture you working on. Be safe. Use a circuit tester or a turn off the power to the whole house to ensure that all the wires in the box are dead. First and common and main important point about the electrical safety is to turn off the power. Means the you when you working on any electrical circuit, you need to ensure that all wires in a box are dead. Means main simple thing about the start to any work, means you will cause any shock or accident will be done if they were a live wire has been there. Second point is remove the light bulb cover. Each fixture has a different way of mounting the cover. Many have a screw right in the middle and some are around with the outside edge. Means different model and different companies are designing these ceiling fixtures, and their screws are mounting system is a different. But commonly you ever note these that the light has been connected within a screws. Third point is remove the light bulb from a fixture. It helps to have a framework with so that they can hold the atom as you hand them down. Means properly remove the light bulb and they could save them to there. 4 is the screw. Unscrew the screw on a nut holding within a fixture base in the ceiling box. Use a cup or a boil to keep all the bits and the piece in one place. Means you will be needed to save your tools properly. Means any spare part or any feather you will be trouble in when you fitting to the other point. Lower the fixture base, means given downward in it. The base will be hanging from the wire. Means when you remove these all screws and their base will be hang within wires, because still we have not removed these connections of that wires. 6 is remove the electrical tape or a wire nuts from a black hot wire and white neutral wire, and if the present green ground wire. Again, keep any wire nuts within the rest of the screw and nuts. You have to any other find the screws in their box, you will need to remove them. 7 is attach the wire from a new fixture to the corresponding wire in a ceiling box. Use the wire nuts that have saved from a previous fixture. It was old fixtures and electrical tape you might be want to use this time. 8 point is rising in the position the new base plate and screwing the bullets through it to attach to the mounting straps. Most new light fixtures come with a new mounting bullets. And 9 point is a screw in a new bulb light, install the cover and turns the power. It is time to step back and admire your handwork. Means if you have a complete any work, you will be clearly checked. If you were done in any mistake or a little mistake, any losing of a screw, anything you have done, then you will be properly check your handwork and then need to check the supply and this light will be glow. Then you will be satisfied to your customer. Are you working in your home, you clearly check them this light has been properly installed or not. If you find any misdone, you will be clearly at that time. Means everything is available. If you are standing on a tool here there and you will be tools are available, you will be properly operate it on off. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribing and support to the technical engineering. Thanks.